Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of headphones that sound like they're made of tin cans and fall apart after a few uses? Well, I've got some good news for you. The AKG Pro Audio K371 wired over-ear headphones are here to change the game. With a robust design and foldable headband, these headphones are perfect for tossing into a bag and taking on the go, and the replaceable ear pads and mini XLR connector add to their long-lasting durability, giving you a solid feel that's built to last. These headphones are well-reviewed and for good reason. They deliver a superior listening experience with their largest in-class titanium-coated 50mm transducers and pure oxygen-free copper voice coils, giving you a rich and detailed sound that's perfect for studio work or just relaxing with your favorite tunes. The closed-back, oval, over-ear design offers great isolation and improved low-frequency response, so you can really feel the music, and the ergonomic fit makes them comfortable to wear for hours on end. Whether you're a music producer or just a music lover, these headphones are versatile and compatible with a wide range of audio equipment, from professional studio gear to portable music players, and with a best-in-class frequency response and optimal impedance, you can trust that you're getting accurate and neutral sound. Plus, with the official manufacturer's warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing you're protected in case anything goes wrong. So why settle for subpar sound when you can have the best? Give the AKG Pro Audio K371 wired over-ear headphones a try, your ears will thank you. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.